Welcome to this comprehensive guide on affiliate marketing management tools. In this video, we'll explore the best platforms available for tracking, managing, and scaling your affiliate programs. Whether you're just starting out or running a large-scale operation, understanding these tools will help you optimize your affiliate marketing strategy and maximize your revenue. Affiliate program management is a complete system for tracking, managing, and optimizing your partnerships with affiliates to drive sales and revenue. At its core, it involves several key functions. First, you track commissions and payouts to ensure accurate and timely payments to your affiliates. Second, you manage affiliate partnerships by recruiting, onboarding, and supporting your affiliate network. Third, you monitor performance metrics to understand which affiliates are performing well and which need support. Finally, you automate program workflows to save time and reduce manual errors. These tools bring all these functions together in one platform. When evaluating affiliate marketing management tools, there are 4 essential features you should prioritize. First, real-time tracking gives you instant visibility into clicks, conversions, and commissions as they happen. This allows you to make quick decisions and identify issues immediately. Second, commission management should offer flexible payout structures and automated calculations to handle different commission models for different affiliates. Third, advanced analytics provide detailed reports and performance insights so you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Finally, fraud detection protects your program by identifying suspicious activity and invalid conversions, which is crucial for protecting your profitability. There are 6 major platforms dominating the affiliate marketing space today. Impact is an enterprise-grade partner management platform built for large organizations. Tapfiliate offers user-friendly affiliate tracking and commission management, perfect for growing businesses. Post-Affiliate Pro provides both self-hosted and cloud-based options for maximum flexibility. Refersion is specifically designed for Shopify stores and includes influencer management features. Trackier specializes in real-time tracking with advanced fraud detection capabilities. And Reditus offers comprehensive partner network management solutions. Each of these platforms has unique strengths, and the best choice depends on your specific business needs. Let's compare 2 popular options, Impact and Tapfiliate. Impact is best for enterprise brands with large-scale affiliate programs. It uses custom pricing tailored to your needs, offers advanced multi-channel tracking, and integrates with over 500 platforms. Tapfiliate, on the other hand, is ideal for growing businesses. It starts at $69 per month with no long-term contracts. It supports both cookie and server-side tracking methods and integrates with over 50 e-commerce platforms. The key difference is that Impact provides more advanced features and customization for large enterprises, while Tapfiliate offers affordability and ease of use for growing companies. Now let's explore Post-Affiliate Pro and Refersion, 2 platforms with different approaches. Post-Affiliate Pro gives you full control over your data with self-hosted and cloud-based options. You can customize it extensively to match your exact needs. Pricing ranges from $99 to $999 per year, and you get full API access for advanced integrations. Refersion takes a different approach, focusing on Shopify store owners and influencer management. It offers native Shopify integration, influencer recruitment and management tools, a free plan to get started, and native social media tracking. If you run a Shopify store, Refersion is an excellent choice. If you need maximum control and customization, Post-Affiliate Pro is the way to go. Trackier and Reditus serve different purposes in the affiliate ecosystem. Trackier excels at real-time conversion, tracking with advanced fraud detection to protect your program from invalid conversions. It offers multi-tier reporting for detailed insights and integrates with over 100 platforms. This makes it ideal for high-volume affiliate networks that need robust tracking and security. Reditus focuses on building and managing your entire partner network. It includes network building tools to recruit new partners, partner recruitment features to scale your program, comprehensive analytics to measure partner performance, and training and resources to help your partners succeed. Choose Trackier if fraud prevention and accurate tracking are your priorities, and choose Reditus if you're focused on building and growing a strong partner network. Let's look at the pricing landscape across these platforms so you can budget appropriately. Impact offers custom pricing because it's built for enterprise organizations with unique needs. Tapfiliate starts at $69 per month and grows with your business. Post-Affiliate Pro is the most affordable at $99 per year for growing e-commerce brands. Refersion is free to get started, making it perfect for Shopify store owners on a budget. Trackier uses custom pricing for high-volume networks, and Reditus also offers custom pricing for comprehensive partner network management. As you can see, there's a solution for every budget, from completely free options to enterprise-level platforms with premium pricing. Choosing the right tool depends on your business scale and specific needs. If you run an enterprise with multiple channels, choose Impact. You'll get multi-channel tracking, advanced customization options, and dedicated support for your large team. If you're a growing business, Tapfiliate offers affordable pricing, easy setup, and good integrations with major platforms. If you own a Shopify store, Refersion is your best choice with native integration, free plans, and influencer management tools. If you need complete control over your data and budget is a concern, choose Post-Affiliate Pro for full data ownership, budget-friendly pricing, and technical flexibility. For high-volume networks needing advanced tracking, select Trackier or Reditus based on whether you prioritize fraud detection or partner network management. Let's review the 6 key takeaways from this guide. First, choose your platform based on your business scale. Enterprise needs are very different from startup needs. Second, real-time tracking matters because accurate and instant conversion data is essential for optimizing your program. Third, check the integration ecosystem to ensure the platform connects with your existing tools and systems. Fourth, fraud prevention is essential because it directly protects your profits and keeps your program healthy. Fifth, test before committing by using free trials and demos to find the best fit for your workflow. And finally, remember that budget-friendly options exist for every level, from free plans to enterprise solutions. Now you have the knowledge to choose the right affiliate marketing management tool for your business.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.